In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add RedotPay to Google Pay. First thing you need to do is to make sure that you have Google Play installed into your actual Android phone or iOS phone. So from in there, install it and then log in into your account. Now, once you have logged in, make sure as well that you have a RedotPay card that you have onto the app. Have it installed and as well as get a card delivered or a virtual card. Now, the next thing we can do is we can head over right here into our actual wallet. So on your Google Pay wallet, click onto this Add to Wallet option. You can choose in here between payment card, transport pass, loyalty, or gift card. Into this, click onto this payment card option and then line it up within the frame in order to capture the details. You also have the option to enter the details manually through this page, and once those details has been added, you should be able to have it ready right here into your actual Google Pay wallet. You can now turn on NFC and pay using this card that you have. So that's how you add RedotPay to Google Pay. Hope we helped.